Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your Jabra Elite 10. So basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use an application to enable it or a gesture. So let me show it to you firstly in the application. And right here it goes like here through, so just click on it and we enable it. But we can also use a gesture and you press only one time on your left earbud. So you just press on it and you will enable it. Let me put it to my ear and I will show it to you how it works. So it's enabled automatically. I'm press one time and I'm just swapped to this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.